What you are seeing that is happening in Nigeria today is never a surprise to everyone. Listen very careful. Tomorrow you go hear say for this side they say one fire dey burn there, you go hear for the other side they say one building just fall, you go hear for the other side they say government dey carry things, they hear for the other side they say they carry people dey go inside bush. Different news every day. Let me tell you something. The Fulani and Islamization of Nigeria is real. This thing wey I wan show you now, this video wey I go show you go make you understand say this thing na wetin they don write down, then they come dey do am one after the other so that people go get fear, run. They go reduce the population, people go run comot for the country. Once people don japa finish, that time now they come with their full force to do the things wey they don already plan to do. My people, things dey happen. Let me go and find out how this thing take dey happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time we dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here, they bring you updates back to back as e dey hot. You see this update wey I carry come now, no miss am. Watch am from beginning to end. You go understand say this country wey they call Nigeria, they don finally sell am. They don sell am finish. The things wey dey happen no be coincidence, no be something wey be say we no know say e go happen. People wey already see this thing, they even share the letter give offices of police, all those many office, many churches. They have this letter, but you know say wetin these people give us chop, we no know. If something go dey happen, nobody fit talk again. Everybody just dey like say they put us for one thing. Watch this video wey I go show you and listen very well. May you hear this, how this our women review and read out their letter for Arabic, how they take plan their schedules, their call of Muslims, radical Muslim, not be all Muslim. May they wake up, follow them fight, and may they take over Nigeria. Watch this video from beginning to end. We'll come back now and continue.
Translation of pamphlets issued in Arabic and distributed in selected mosques in northern Nigeria by Fulani nationalist movement. Funam dated November 6, 2018. The battle is getting closer. We call on all true Muslims. This is the time to act. This is the time for Second Holy War. We started in 1804. The British stopped us. We must regain the terrorist laws. It is against Islam to rotate war with infidels. Forget about election that will only lead to sharing of power. Think of the kingdom that we shall rule forever. We can change the naughty history. Ottoman Dan Fodio did it successfully. We can do it. We must take the enemies in the west, central and the last by surprise. That is the plot. They spy and occupy their homes, occupy their forests, occupy their streets, occupy their schools, occupy their market hands. You will suffer in this. Rain and shade will pour on you, but heaven will honor you after the inevitable battles. Our task on the infidels must be total and overwhelming. We must begin by installing fear in them, weakening their resolve through kidnaps, brutal rapes, making it difficult for them to farm and subdue them before the war. Our strategies involves learning from the tactics of the past and merge it with the wisdom of the movement. There is no going back. Nigeria is our own. It was handed over to us by Allah. How then can we share what is ours? We must never fight a defensive war. We must make the battle. We must take the battle to the homes of the infidels. We must use everything that we have. Whether you are a boy, a lady, a man, or a woman, all Muslims of Fulani origin must take this as a duty. We must sharpen our fighting weapons. Everything is a weapon. Your okada, your knives, your hands, the trailers you drive, the tankers with fuel, food you sell, the house of the infidels that you guide. Study very well and wait for our order. Exploit the weakness of the infidels. They are lousy, lack discipline, sleep like fools, love parties and dances, lack discipline, and mostly unarmed. With your vantage positions, you can take on a whole family of 10, conquer and kill them if need be. The battle must be fought in their homeland. The middle belt must be totally crushed. They are few and divided. Never trust anyone in the east and not in south. Not even their filthy Muslims who do everything Allah rejects. Get yourself prepared. The battle is near. Please circulate to all Christians. Very urgent. IPOB.
One family.
One family.
IPOB.
Okay. I think before this, our Onyendu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, has been saying this. Am I right?
Yes.
Talks about killing your premier. Add on top of that the North's general hate of the East, and you can start to get the picture of the sort of tribal tension Nigeria was heading towards.
One thing I've noticed, Premier, while I've been here, is that Northerners seem to have, I might almost call it, obsession about the Igbos. Could you perhaps explain that to me?
Well, the Igbos are more or less the type of people whose desire is mainly to dominate everybody. If they go to a village, to a town, they want to monopolize everything in that area. If you put them in a labor camp as a laborer, within a year they will try to emerge as headman of that camp, and so on. Well, in the past, our people were not alive to their responsibilities, because you can see from our northernization policy that in 1952, when I came here, there weren't 10 northerners in our civil service here. Then I tried to have it northernized, and now all important posts are being held by northerners.
Is this policy of filling all key posts in the north solely with northerners and not with other Nigerians a temporary or a permanent one?
In actual fact, what it is a northerner first. If you can't get a northerner, then we take an expatriate like yourself on contract. If we can't, then we can employ another Nigerian, but on contract too. This is going to be permanent, I should say, as far as I can foresee, because it will be rather dangerous to see the number of boys who are now turning from all our learning institutions, coming out with having no work to do. I'm sure whichever government of the day might be, it will feel rather embarrassed, and it might even lead to bloodshed.
Doesn't this damage the idea, sir, of all people in all regions in Nigeria being fellow citizens of one country?
Well, it might, but you are, new to our region, but how many northerners are employed in the east or in the west? The answer is no. And if there are, there may be 10 laborers employed only in.
My wonderful people, please, there's some word where you go hear. No be say you hear that word, may you come the wrong head. No. You hear the word, but also take the word serious, because these people, when somebody have an agenda, the person no go rest until that thing it don't accomplish am. When it come to these people, they don't tell them, because the orientation where they give others, no be the one where they give the good Muslims. So you don't see this one where they don't tell, say if they buy person, they buy am for Allah. My brother, even though na you, my sister, they tell you, say if you go buy for your God, you go heaven, you go this one, you go this one, you go do am. So that's why you people everybody have to wake up and get ready for this thing. Prepare yourself, so that when you go start, you go know, say yes, you are prepared for it, and be strong, because na only thing will go keep you Well, the thing will go make you dey strong and face this thing wey wan come. My people, share this video and make sure say you dey follow this channel for more updates as e dey hot. If you like wetin we dey do, only thing wey you go do for us na to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our Facebook page and share the video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you for the next update. Do not forget to drop your own opinion in comment section.